Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel JKG English. I hope you are doing well and learning English in great way. This is my 15 days of speaking English. This is my 15 days of speaking English, and I am here again after 1 month. 1 month before I stopped making videos. I didn't upload one videos. I didn't upload any videos on my channel because of my personal reason, but I didn't give up. And right now I am here again, and to continue my journey. So I request to you, please support me and practice with me. As you know that I started my channel 2 months ago, but the first month I uploaded only 14 videos. But in the first month I uploaded only 14 videos, and the second month I didn't upload even one video. But even if I didn't give up, because I know that without speaking I cannot improve my English. And if I don't speak, if I don't practice, I cannot become fluent in English, and I cannot achieve my dream. I cannot achieve success. And I am commented myself that if I promised, if I once promised myself anything, I complete it at any cost. That's why I am here again, to improve my English. So my friends, this was the about myself, and in today's video I I will tell you how to describe our daily routines. My friends, I woke up early in the morning every day around 4 a.m., helped my father in his exercise, brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I go to the shop and open it, and then I clean outside the shop. I cleaned outside the shop, and then I take out some goods outside the shop, and then I clean inside the shop. And after arranging the shop, the arrives arrives, and I serve them happily. And around 8 a.m., my shop becomes more busier. Then I started serving fast but carefully. And then my father arrived at 9 a.m., and then I come back home and bring some water from hand pump. Then I took a shower and apply oil on my bodies, and then I have my food, and then I wear natty clothes, and then I go to the shop again, and my father returns home. And then while running the shop, I read stories in English and improve my vocabularies while reading this story and some new sentence. And then I watch a conversation in English and a story. Then I learn some new phrasal verb, conjunction, and idioms. And then around at 1 p.m., I return home again to take lunch. and after having the lunch, I take a short break and I enter inside my home and close my door from inside, and then I practice of speaking English in my room. I make a conversation alone and play and record it and record myself, and in the conversation I play two character, and then I record a video to upload on YouTube. And then in the evening around in the evening I go to the field to check my crops, and after visiting 10 minutes I returned my home. I started managing my shop, and after managing 3 hours 3 to 4 hours I close my shop around 9 p.m. and then I return home with my father, and we have a dinner together and talk about our days, our another plans, and then I clean my beds and make it. Then I go to the bed and sleep. So my friend, that's all for now. See you later again with new situation in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. I hope this video might be helpful for you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.